How do plants make food?
I don't know. How do they?
Well, let's back up a little bit first. So you've learned about food chains, and you know they start with plants. But have you ever thought about how the plants get their food?
I have wondered.
Okay, then let's think about it. How do green plants produce their own food? Do you have any ideas at all?
No, not really.
Well, what would a plant have around that they could use to make food?
I don't know, maybe water and sunlight?
Yes, and something called carbon dioxide. But the key are very special molecules called chlorophyll, which are found in green plants. It is what makes plants green. Plants use chlorophyll to produce food in the form of sugar, or another word for sugar is glucose. So the ingredients they use are carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight, and this makes their food. The process is called photosynthesis. The word photosynthesis comes from can you guess who?
The Greeks?
Photo is Greek for the word light, and synthesis is Greek for the word putting together. It's the process of using light to put together carbon dioxide, water, enzymes, and some other chemicals. So let's try and understand how the plants do this. Carbon dioxide is found in the air. Animals actually exhale carbon dioxide. Plants have tiny openings on their leaves. It's through these openings that they draw in carbon dioxide. The plant also takes in water through its roots, and next the plant needs to have light. In the leaves of the plant there are cells, and in the cells there are chloroplasts. These chloroplasts are filled with chlorophyll. Here is where it all comes together. The chloroplasts take in the carbon dioxide, water, and light and turn it into sugar and oxygen. The sugar is used as food for the plant, and the oxygen is released into the atmosphere. Sugar may also be stored in some part of the plant. For example, it could be stored in bananas or grapes. It can also be stored in stems and leaves. Here's what photosynthesis looks like. The chemical equation is read: 6 molecules of carbon dioxide added to 6 molecules of water combined to produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Now, a few questions to ponder. I wonder if you can answer after watching our little video. Do you know why oxygen is released during photosynthesis?
Because oxygen and sugar are the products of photosynthesis.
Great. Why are leaves the primary food-producing part of the plant?
Because that is where photosynthesis takes place.
How might we investigate green plants using chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to produce food?
We could do an investigation using a green plant.